Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an incredible website that can significantly enhance your productivity in the fast-paced, AI-driven world we live in. This platform is designed to reduce the amount of manual effort you need to put in, save valuable time, and minimize unnecessary expenses. Whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, this tool can streamline your daily tasks, optimize your workflow, and help you focus on what truly matters. In a time where efficiency and smart resource management are crucial, discovering tools like this can make a real difference in how you work and succeed. If you're looking to save money on website development, you should definitely check out Google AI Studio. This powerful platform leverages artificial intelligence to generate code for your web applications, eliminating the need to hire developers or spend large amounts of money on web development. With Google AI Studio, even those without technical expertise can quickly create functional and attractive websites. It's a game changer for startups, small businesses, and individuals who want to bring their ideas to life without breaking the bank. Simply type Google AI Studio into your browser's search bar and click on the first link in the results. This will take you to the official AI Studio website. To log in, just use your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to the platform where you can start creating with AI. Once you're on the Google AI Studio dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options on the left-hand side menu. One key feature is the chat prompt section, where you can interact with the AI and request exactly what you need. You can ask for website code, product descriptions, images, videos, and much more. The platform is designed to be intuitive and versatile, making it easy for anyone to generate high-quality content or functional code with just a simple prompt. You'll also find a feature called Stream on the platform. This option is designed to answer your questions in real time, making it a great tool for learning and improving your language skills. Give it a try. It's both fun and educational. Let us know in the comments how helpful you found it. Another exciting feature available is video generation. All you need to do is describe the content you want, and the AI will create a visually appealing video for you. You can choose between horizontal and vertical formats by selecting the desired aspect ratio, set the video duration, and then let the platform do the rest. Once generated, the video is yours to use anywhere, whether it's for social media, marketing, presentations, or personal projects. Now, let's move on to how you can generate a website using Google AI Studio. First, click on the chat option and type in a prompt describing the website you want. For example, I asked it to generate a budget planner website, and it quickly created the necessary code files: index.html, style.css, and script.js. The response time was impressive, even faster than ChatGPT in my experience, and I really liked that. Next, simply copy the code from each file and paste them into a folder on your computer. After saving all the files, open the index.html file in your browser. You'll see a fully functional budget planner website with separate tabs for income and expenses. It's that easy. To use the budgeting website, go to the Income tab and enter the income description and amount. Then click the Add button. In the Expense tab, do the same for your expenses. For example, I entered EMI with an amount of $250 and clicked the Add Expense button. The system instantly updated the total and displayed the remaining balance, along with visual charts. Next, I added another expense of $300 for housing and clicked Add Expense again. The website automatically recalculated the total expenses and updated the remaining balance. Below, you'll also see a detailed list of all your expenses. It's really impressive, isn't it? The best part is, you can generate code for any kind of project in the same way, customize it, and use it wherever you need. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you see how easy it is to create websites and manage your expenses using Google AI Studio. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy coding!